Hey guys!
Hi.
We're gonna be doing Japanese snack box. So this is everything. Okay, so first you're gonna be trying garlic and oil chips. They look like this. They're just little circles. Those are good.
It tastes like French bread or garlic bread.
1 to 10, what do you rate it?
Like 6.
I give it a 10. That one's really good. Most of these we can't pronounce, but it looks like a fish. It's supposed to be a fish, but it's all broken.
That one's fire. It's like those
Yeah.
wafers.
Yeah. What do you rate it?
That one's a smack, like an 8.
I have it on like a 4. It's kind of chemical-y. Right?
Yeah.
Okay. What does this look like?
Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
Okay.
See?
Okay, ready?
Is it recording?
Yeah. Don't do that. Shortbread, huh?
Yeah.
Okay. That's a 10. What do you think?
No. That's like a cool 4.
What? Next is this.
What is it?
I don't like it.
No. It reminds me of
Puff?
you ever had this Charleston chew?
No.
It's lightweight. What's inside of those?
I give that a 0. I don't like marshmallows.
Yeah, that's pretty whack. I give it a 2.
Okay. Next is little cute Hello Kitties soft candy. They literally look like different and they're soft, so.
Different.
I don't like it.
Yeah,
That's a
me either.
1.
Same.
Okay. We need a little beverage. This one's called Ramune Soda.
Show the picture.
Oh. And you drop the ball in there. Alright, guys.
Probably gonna hit it. Oh shit, it didn't work.
Nice.
Damn. Fizzed up. Piece up.
Dad came prepared.
Damn.
Oh, the ball.
Bitch ass ball.
Nice.
I hope it's good because I want some.
Go. Okay, Dad. Sorry. Good?
Kind of like a soda water almost, but more sweet.
That's gas.
Yeah, I like it.
It's like a lush flavor.
Yeah.
You know what that is?
No. No clue. Hold on.
What do you give it?
That's a 10 spot.
I say like a 9. I have a feeling these are like matcha.